Welcome to my channel. My name is Martha G. In this video I'm going to show you how to create this presentation title slide with PowerPoint. So let's get started. The topic of this presentation is the advertisement of a business that sells tires. We want to show that it is a business with a friendly, pleasant environment with a wide range of products. This title slide is a product of fiction. Any resemblance to persons, names, images, places and situations, it is completely coincidental and not responding in fact. Any material is used for the needs of the presentation. Thank you. As usual, next to the design area we have placed the colors we will be using along with their hex codes on that particular title slide, so you can practice with us. We always make sure that the image we insert is relevant to our topic. To attract the buying audience we want, we will insert a relevant image. Let's start by designing the title slide of the presentation. We want to insert an image depicting a tire. We go to Insert ribbon, we choose Pictures, this device, we choose the image that we want to insert and click Insert. We want to place the image slightly sideways in the direction of the tire car. Something like that. Now we will cut off the edges of the image that protrude from the slide. We will insert two rectangles, then we click the image and then the rectangles. We go to Insert, first Shapes, we choose Rectangle. Click in the design area, drag and release it. Right click Copy, right click Paste. And we put it down. Now we click the image first, then we click the first rectangle and then the second. We go to Shape Format and click Subtract. And that's the result. Now we want to insert a right triangle. We go to Insert Shapes, we choose right triangle from Basic Shapes. We click in the design area, drag and release it. First we choose the picture, the image, we go to Picture Format, Picture Border, we choose white color, Picture Border Weight, 6 points. Right click in the image, bring to front. Now we go to the triangle, Shape Format, Shape Fill, we choose Eyedropper, we choose the first color from the left side outside of the design area, and click it, Shape Outline, no outline. Then we copy this triangle again, right click copy, right click paste. We rotate it and we put it from the other side. Right click, bring to front. We want to copy this triangle, right click copy, right click paste, and we put it here. Then we copy it again, right click copy, right click paste. We choose Shape Format, Shape Fill, Eyedropper. We choose the gray color from the left side outside of the design area. And we reduce the size of this triangle. Then we want to add another 4 triangles, isosceles triangles. We go to Insert Shapes, we choose from Basic Shapes isosceles triangle. We click in the design area, drag and release it. We go Shape Format, Shape Fill, Eyedropper, we choose the first the third color from the left side outside of the design area, shape outline, no outline. Then we click this isosceles triangle, right click copy, right click paste. Shape format, shape fill, eyedropper. We choose the fourth color from the left side outside of the design area. Click, and with shift pressed and click, we copy the isosceles triangles that we have just created. Right click copy, right click paste. And we rotate it. And we put it in the desired position. Then we want to insert the website's name. We want to add a gray rectangle that will contain the website of the company. We go to insert ribbon, we choose shapes, click in the rectangle, click in the design area, drag and release it. We go to shape fill, eyedropper, we choose the website's color, the rectangle, shape fill, shape outline, no outline. And then we will insert the website's name. We go to insert, click text box, click in the design area, drag and release it. We choose Calibri font 20 size and we write the website's name, www.wheelswave.com, and we put it in the desired position. Or we can center the text and we put it in the desired position. We want to insert our title. We go to insert ribbon, we choose text box, click in the design area, drag and release it. Now we will write the title together with the name and the logo of the company. We want to choose a body font, size 28, and color with the second column, second in a row, and we write our title, shift apostrophe, rolling forward, unveiling the wheel revolution with and now we choose Aroni font, size 54, color with eyedropper, the last color from the left side outside of the design area, and shift apostrophe, wheels, and then we change the color again with eyedropper, wave, close apostrophe, and we adjust the size. Then we want to insert the presenter's name. We go to insert, click text box, click inside the design area, drag and release it. We choose Aroni font, again, size 20, and color with eyedropper, the last color from the left side outside of the design area, and we write Martha G. Santos. And we put another isosceles triangle, right click copy, right click paste. We reduce the size. And we put it in the desired position. And we just finished the designing from the slide. Now it's animation time. Before you start with animations, you should think in which order you want them to appear. Of course, if you change your mind, you can change the order from animation pane. We go first to the picture, we go to animations, entrance, fade, start with previews, duration 1. We go to the first triangle, entrance, fade, start after previews, duration 0.50. We go to the second triangle, entrance, fade, start with previews, duration 0.50 as it is. We go to the third triangle, entrance, fade, start with previews, duration 0.50. We go to the fourth triangle, entrance, fade, start with previews, duration 0.50. We go to the first isosceles triangle, entrance, fade, start after previews, duration 0.50. To the second isosceles triangle, entrance, fade, start after previews, duration 0.50. To the third isosceles triangle, entrance, fade, start after previews, duration 0.50. And the fourth isosceles triangle, animations, entrance, fade, start after previews, duration 0.50. We go to the title, entrance, float in, start after previews, duration 1, effect options, float up as one object as it is. We go to the presenter's name, animation, entrance, float in, start after previews, duration 1, effect options, float up as one object. Then we go to the fifth isosceles triangle, entrance, fade, start after previews, duration 0.50, rectangle, entrance, fly in, start after previews, duration 1, effect options, from right as one object. And we go to the website's name, entrance, fly in, start with previews, duration 1, effect options, from right as one object. And then we go at the slideshow button to see the result. Click slideshow, and that's it. I hope you liked it. Thank you for watching us. If you want, you can press the like and the subscribe button. We are waiting for you in the next video. Bye!